After a power outage, your Spectrum internet may stop working because the modem loses its connection and synchronization with Spectrum's network. Your modem needs to re-establish this sync to get back online. This involves aligning its signals with Spectrum's coaxial cable network. The persistent session between the modem and the ISP's servers is disrupted, requiring a reset. We'll explain how to fix this. First, power cycle your modem and router by unplugging them for 60 seconds. Then plug the modem back in, wait for it to fully power on, and then do the same for the router. Next, check all cable connections to ensure they are secure. This includes coaxial, Ethernet, and power cables. If the internet light is still not on, use the My Spectrum app to reprovision your modem. This remotely resets your modem's configuration and reconnects it to the network. If the app doesn't work, contact Spectrum support for assistance. Many users have reduced resolution times from 24 to 48 hours to under 2 hours using the app.